can invest up to, but you can. They'd rather put that in safe assets.
Or maybe just put 1%.
You must invest at least 10% or 15%, whatever the number is. Yeah.
And then on the second, so that's the fund side.
Yes.
Now on the second part, on transaction advisory.
Yes.
How is it different when you're doing it for like healthcare as a sector vis-a-vis other generic spaces?
So what I would say is that, so we do both. We mostly do non-tech advisory because we don't want too much friction with our fund management business when we're doing advisory on healthcare. Right?
Okay.
So exceptionally,
so this could be brick and mortar.
Actually, preferably. Preferably. Okay. So the whole idea is to say, let's limit and not have conflict of interest with our fund management business, because the fund invest precedes C to Series A. Should we want to do advisory on tech in healthcare, it has to be post Series A, so that there's no conflict of interest. Okay. Right? That's number one. Number two, we've had the opportunity to do advisory to dental practices, to hospitals, specialty care, and things like that. That's what we prefer. But again, they're not that thousands of transactions, right? Yeah. What is also happening on the advisory side is we get an inbound of market entry. So products from US, Europe, Canada, Australia, etc., who want to come into Africa to solve a particular problem, a medical device, a diagnostic device, a product, and so on. So we're also trying to support organizations to do so. Yeah. But really, our sweet spot is things that are complex, medical devices, biotech, physical assets, as I said, specialty cares like cancer research centers and things like that. We look at partnering with government to set it up, or groups of hospitals to set it up as well. Yeah.
And for that, are you also seeing opportunities on the buy side in terms of transaction advisory, or it's mostly sell side?
No, I think the buy side also. But I must say, I don't think Jazarif is positioned, because really started this thing end of last year, positioned to be on the buy side, meaning we got a mandate from a private equity whatever fund to come and look for asset. I think there's just one buy side informal mandate that we have. Essentially, we're looking for hospital physical assets in Tanzania to acquire, and we're looking at transaction about $6 to $7 million from one of our friends, private equity, and we're looking for assets in Tanzania. But beyond that, there's no formal really yet,
approach.
at least yet.